Hi, today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids on Samsung Galaxy M11. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now tap Magic Fluid and download this app from this developer. Tap Open. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Settings. Click I accept. And over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, click at the top right corner. At the bottom right corner again, choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Now tap Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go for home screen. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!